Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this TOSCIDO M863 tablet, and let me show how you can enable the separate number row at the keyboard of this device. So if we will call out for the keyboard now, we'll see that there is no separate number row. So in order for it to be activated, we gotta go to the keyboard settings either by tapping on this gear icon, or we can also open the settings app itself. Here, scroll down until we stumble upon the system category. At the system category, go for the languages and input, virtual keyboard, and choose what keyboard is currently on. In my case, and by default, it is always going to be the Gboard. Next, tap on preferences, and basically all that is left to do for us is to turn on this number row switch, and as we will see now, the separate number line has been successfully activated. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.